Hey guys, welcome back to another house tour with Brian. Yeah, today we're standing in Sorrento Valley and we are touring this house. A 4 bed, 3.5 bath in a very private gated neighborhood. Look at this. All the houses here are built around like 2015 and they look fairly new. And I really like the design style they have. Like, let's see, on the outside of the house, it looks like some houses that you would see when you go to Palm Spring or Joshua Tree, right? A very modern desert-inspired style. Yeah, so let's waste no time and walk inside. Right when we go inside, this is your space. Whoop. Yeah, this is it. A huge lobby with a elevated ceiling, very high, which bring a lot of air into the house. And in feng shui, it is a very good thing to have a high ceiling house. So yeah, this is the right side of the door. We have the laundry area right here. And then walk all the way inside is the first house. It's the first room. This is the guest bedroom, or you can use it as a regular bedroom. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, right? It's just that the room is like in front of the house, and you can kind of see the street right here. But it's also come with everything: the closet, the bathroom right there, yeah, shower, everything. So yeah. Walking back outside, this is the powder room of the house. Very small and snuck away on the side of the stairway right here. So yeah, which is also a very good thing that I like about this house is the way they doing the blending and the flooring and how they place everything together. You will not see the powder room or any restroom when you stay in the common area of the house, which is the kitchen areas and then the living space. You will see no bathroom at all, but it's gonna tuck away nicely behind this stair right here. Nice. So how about we go ahead and check out the garage space. Here you go. Two-car garage, simple, basic, new flooring, everything, and yeah, right there. Okay. I also love how they're not putting the laundry in the garage, but actually have a whole space dedicated for that, which is a good thing. And this area is where I feel like will be the best for you to place a dining table. Next by the kitchen right here. Yeah, look at this kitchen island and how huge it is. I mean, like, yeah. And one thing I also really like about this kitchen is that it is dedicated for cooking. I mean, like, there are some serious chef kitchen right here. Look, I'm gonna place it right here. Look, we got the stove right here, right? And then look at all the appliances they have. I don't know if you can see right here. I wish they have the one big sink instead of this double sink right here. But I mean, it's also okay. You can always switch it up later. All the appliances from fridge, microwave, and they even have the double oven right here, which is not commonly see recently, lately. And this all come from Bosch. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's Bosch, right? And then look at this. We've got a dry pantry right here. Nice. Okay, and when you go to the left side of the house, you will notice the master bedroom right here. Look at the space we have. The thing I love so much about this room is that how sunny, how airy it is. And you can really oversee the backyard that you have. And the fact that this roof is a lot higher than your regular houses, or at least the houses that I went to recently, this is a huge plus. I love how airy the house is. And then for this master bedroom, of course, you cannot have a master bedroom without a master bathroom. Yeah, you have a whole sink for yourself and a standing shower. His and her sink right here. And you got your whole walk-in closet. Look. Whoop. Oh yeah, no more fighting for closet space. His can be on this side and her can be on this side. Yeah. Oh, so before we going outside, let's actually going upstairs to this beautiful stair right here, leading us up to the other two bedroom. This is the second floor space right here. The first room right here, also flooded with sunlight because of all the windows right here. You can kind of see your neighbor house from this way. Yeah, that's a solar. Oh, and we also have solar, so very energy efficient. And yeah, also have closet right here. And now we are here at the only bathroom for this floor. The two room up here gonna share one bathroom, and the second room is gonna be on the other side of this hallway. And what I love about that is that this room is right here. You got a bathroom. You got this whole open space right here before you entering your last bedroom. So I love the fact that the room is not, attached, sharing any wall together, which is increasing the privacy. And then honestly, it just feel a lot more luxury because it shows that this house have some decent space and the builder really know the layout and how to make some luxury living. Okay, entering the last room right here. Ta-da! This room also have windows and then closet, and the view right here, same with the other one, looking out to the canyon, and this actually look down a bit to our backyard. So yeah, let's not waste your time, and then let me take you guys down to our backyard. Wow. To me personally, I love to live in a house like this because I just feel like it is a perfect mix between privacy living, modern living, and luxury living. It's not gonna be the most luxury house you find out there on the markets, but the fact that it's just such a perfect blend between all that good elements, I think this house is a very complete real estate. It's not something you're gonna buy to like invest and then you're gonna flip it up or you're gonna rent it out. But I feel like this house is more for you to buy and then to actually live and enjoy a good lifestyle here. I mean, this is your backyard right here. You have a whole hill for yourself and a little trail took you all the way up there, and you got this fireplace, and then most importantly, you got this view. Look at this. I just want to spend a little moments for you to feel the air, enjoy the view, and the silence they have right here. Wow, absolutely amazing. And look at your neighbors. They're living their best life. I mean, and you know what? The HOA right here is not even that bad. This is a gated area, right? This is a gated area, right? But then HOA here about like 300 something. Yeah, look at our house from the back. Imagine, imagine getting a cup of coffee in the morning, standing out here, enjoying the wind, the sun, and the air, the smell of fresh grass they have to offer. That's all I ever need in my life. The real estate itself is not just value about what it's have, how they built it, how they structures it, but it's also about the location. Where it's land on, what does it overlook, what is the geographic, and you know that we're in Sorrento Valley, which is like 10 minutes away from Mesa, and that to me is a dream. Okay, look at this. I just walked up from this trail right here, and then this is a little private space for, honestly, I don't really know the use for it, but for me, as someone who really like natures and meditating, I will make this my meditating spot. Yeah, look, put a mat right here, and then the spot gonna overlook this canyon view. Wow, 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 wow. Well, for some reason that I'm not doing a house tour anymore. It's more like hiking vlogs, which is kind of funny. Yeah, but let me know what you think about this house. Overall, this is a perfect blend between luxury living and privacy living. For someone my age and someone who like privacy but also not too boring, this is probably one of the best choice that you can have right now. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.